This is why you need to experience off-roading in New Zealand. Hold onto your seats as we dive into the rugged wilderness. Get ready for an epic adventure. Picture this, roaring through dense native bush, mud splattering everywhere, and your heart pounding like a haka on game day. You'll be navigating gnarly tracks, climbing steep hills, and crossing rivers that'll make you feel like a real 4WD driver. And the views, absolutely choice. From snow-capped mountains to wild coastal cliffs, it's a visual feast. And don't worry if you're a newbie, there are plenty of guided tours and clubs to show you the ropes. So whether you're in a beefy Land Rover or a trusty Hilux, there's a trail with your name on it. So what are you waiting for? Gear up, grab your mates, and hit the tracks. Adventure's calling, and New Zealand's wild terrain is ready for you to conquer. Conquer the wild, conquer New Zealand.